I wanted to share with you guys some of the things in my wardrobe that I've been loving, things that I'm definitely going to be reaching for this coming spring and summer. You guys know how it goes. We're going to start with the best thing first, or what I think is the best thing first anyway. So I think I mentioned, I can't remember if I have mentioned, but I think at some point I mentioned that I wanted a Coperni bag, and I have been going back and forth about them because I had it and some other bags in my basket on a few different websites. Depending on like the season, if there's deals, if there's a discount code, they can vary in price. So I just wanted to make sure that I got a really good deal. So I found this Coperni bag, I think on Farfetch. I will put a link to it down in the description, and you guys would have seen it in my Zara styling haul, but it is in this really pretty denim color. So I wanted to unbox it for you guys and just show you how it came. So it basically just came in this plain white box. You open it up and it looks like this on the inside. So there's like padding on each side, and then inside it comes in a dust bag that's got Coperni written on the front. And the style that I liked, I'll put in the other style that I was considering here, but I ended up picking up the swipe bag. So it's called the Denim Mini Swipe Bag, and this is what it looks like in the bag. It's really little. I was not sure about whether I wanted this size or the size that fits on your shoulder, but to be honest guys, I've got kids, and so like when I say kids, I mean little babies. So normally when I'm leaving the house, I've got a nappy bag, and I have been trying to make a conscious decision to carry a handbag too. So basically just smaller bags are just working for me right now, because I usually have like a bigger nappy bag with me anyway, if that makes sense. So carrying two big bags just probably won't work. And if I'm going out by myself, then chances are I'm going out with the girls, we're going to a bar, we're going somewhere like that, and I don't need to carry tons with me. So I picked up this little one. Hold on, I'm excited. Let me show you guys first. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. I love the shape of this bag. It is so cute. Yeah, two things. I love the shape of the bag, so I might pick up the bigger one too. I'm going to see how often I reach for this. As the babies get older and I'm outside more with summer and things happening, then maybe I might make a bit more use of the big one. But also, I'm going to have a look, but I feel like it might be in the bigger size, but on some of the designs that look exactly like this, there is like a Coperni written here. This bag doesn't have that. It's got Coperni written on a little tag here, but otherwise it doesn't have Coperni written anywhere else. But it has a zip on the inside. You can see the zip, which I didn't expect, goes kind of like all the way round. It's so cool. Like it goes all the way up to the top of the bag. So you can see the zip opens up here and it goes all the way up here. And then you open it and it's pretty standard size for a mini bag. I've still got the stuffing in it, but it's enough space for me to fit in my coin purse and lipstick. Coin purse, lipstick and a pair of keys. So it works for me, and I just think it's so adorable. And definitely with, you know, denim being super on trend right now, I feel like this bag is definitely going to go with loads and loads of my outfits that I plan on wearing for the next couple of seasons. I was considering getting a black one, but I just feel like this might be a bit more playful, a bit more fun. And denim, although trendy right now, is always something that you're going to wear, right? No matter what the trend is, you will always be wearing some denim sometimes. So I'm sure I'm going to be using this bag for as long as I want to. So I really like it. I got it for a really good deal. I think I got about 25% off or something like that. So I felt like I had to. It was the best price that I could find. I think I got it for like maybe 200 and something. But I will put links to it down in the description. I feel like it's a bag where if you know, you know. It's not too like shouty or anything like that, which I really like about it. So love the bag. If you're thinking about picking up the bag, get it. It's so cute. Okay, so the next thing I don't have in my hands, but I'm going to put a picture here. It's in the car. I took them off. I wore them, I took them off, left them in the car, and I've got a baby, so I can't go and get it. But Trust me guys, these heels are so comfortable. I have quite large feet, so I wear like a UK 9-10. I picked these up in a UK 10, and I'm not really good at walking in super high heels, but these aren't too high. I think they're like 3 inches, and they're so comfortable. Although they're pointy, they don't like squeeze my feet or anything like that. I think it's the way that the side is cut out. It's covered on one side, but it's kind of open on the other side. So your foot kind of has the ability to kind of sit naturally where it would like. You know, like where your toes end, where you normally kind of get a bit of rubbing with really pointed toe shoes at the corner, you know, that can kind of give you bunions. It does not rub there at all. It is so soft, so comfortable. It comes in black and it comes in green. I will put links in the description, but I think I'm going to go up and pick up the green. I'm not necessarily like a green wearer, but I'm definitely feeling like for spring summer I'm definitely going to be trying to, you know, express myself a bit more. I've been inside for so long that I'm going to definitely be trying to try new things. So this heel looks chef's kiss, perfect with a pair of mum jeans. I wore them for a few hours out to dinner with a friend, and I didn't at any point feel like I needed to take them off, which is really unusual for me with a pair of pointy toe shoes. I think they also come in wide fits and they're a really reasonable price. I think I got them for £19 or something like that, super affordable. So if you're looking for a pointed heel that is easy to walk in, then I would definitely recommend this one, especially if you need extended sizes. This one is definitely a yes. So next I have a top, and I picked up this top from And Other Stories. I was on the website. And Other Stories oftentimes has stuff sold out, so whenever I see cute stuff and I go to put it in my basket, they never have it in my size. But I saw this top and they had it in my size, and I thought like I have to get it just because it's so cute. It is just plain, and it is in like a mesh, it's kind of meshy. It's see-through basically. It's ribbed as well, so in some lights you can't even really tell that it's see-through, but when you put it apart you can kind of see that it's a bit sheer. But what I like the most is the sleeves, because they're kind of flute, which is like the cutest thing I have ever seen. It kind of reminds me of Morticia Adams and I love that for me. So I thought that I could wear this top with a pair of black trousers. I actually have a pair of black trousers that I think I'm going to wear this with, or a pair of wide leg pants, or a pair of jeans. I just felt like, you know, sometimes if you're going to dinner or somewhere like that and you want to be cute but you don't want to be super dressed up or anything, I feel like this kind of flute detailing on the top kind of gives like, I'm casual but I'm special, which I like. It says here that this top was £65, which I would say is pretty expensive, but I found a discount code, so I think I got some money off of it. And it is pretty high in the neck, but I feel like because it's sheer, that even in the warmer months in the evening it could be something that I pick up. So next I have another pair of shoes, and I know that this kind of style is not necessarily everybody's taste. Although I do think that as time has gone past, like people have started to accept it as a thing. But it is these mules, and you're probably looking at them thinking, yeah, like they're plain, why are they here? But they're here because I picked these up for £14. For £14. Okay, I got them from ASOS. They were so affordable, and for the amount of money that I paid for them, I picked them up from the sale. They are very, very good quality. And I don't have a pair of white mules, and I know that this kind of square toe is not necessarily everybody's thing. They're more of like a Bottega dupe. I have wanted to pick up a pair of Bottega mules, but they just don't have my size, which is like my life story. So I thought that these were a nice alternative. They're white, so I feel like going into the spring and summer, they're definitely a pair of shoes that I'm going to reach for. Would look nice with denim and with dresses. And also, look at the heel. It is kind of giving kitten, but I feel like in my rich auntie aura, kitten's fine. So I feel like they will look nice. They will look nice. I probably would wear a pair of jeans to kind of like fall over them a bit, so they're not like, I mean, screaming kitten. But I think they're cute. I like them. They are padded also here, and if you guys are following the trends or aware of the trends for spring summer, this kind of padding of things is also a thing. You know, they're starting to add padding to bags and stuff to make it look a bit more puffy. So I definitely think they'll be cute. And I picked up the biggest size. I've noticed that ASOS have started going up to a UK size 13, which is wild to me, but not that I need that size. But you know, sometimes shoes run small, and I always find with mule type shoes that they can run a bit small. So I just went up a size in them, and I just think they're so cute. They're very, very comfortable. I've been walking around the house in them. I haven't worn them out yet, but I have been walking around in the house in them, and I feel so comfortable in them. So I just need a nice outfit to wear with these. So if you are looking for a deal, £14. So next I have a pair of jeans, and these jeans I'm featuring because if you are curvaceous, maybe if you're a bit hippie, a bit pear-shaped, hourglass shaped, or basically you just got like a bit of extra thighs and bum and hip, and you're looking for a well-fitting mum jean, then this jean is the jean that you want. I now have this jean in 3 colors. It comes in 5 colors, but I've only got 3 so far. I'm not too sure about the other colors. But most recently I picked up this cream color because I felt like this cream color could go with more of my light color tops. I've got quite a few denim corset style tops. These trousers fit like a dream. Okay, they are so nice in the fit. I have a little bit of a gap at the back, but in comparison to what I'm used to having with mum jeans, it is fine. It's absolutely fine. It's not a pair of jeans that I feel like need to be tailored or anything like that. If you are tall, I'm 6 foot tall. If you're tall, then these jeans come in, I think they come in a 32 inseam, a 34 inseam, a 36 inseam, and a 38 inseam. I pick mine up in a 38 inseam because a mum jean that touches the floor or pulls for me is like a jean from my dreams. So I got the 38 inseam, and I get it in a 32. I do got upper size, so I think that's like a US 10 or a UK 14. They are high-waisted, so I'm able to kind of like tuck any extra fluff that I might be working with at the moment in, and they really look nice on the bum, and I just love them. And I'm really surprised because I have tried for so long to find a decent mum jeans. If I'm going to be frustrated by any type of jean, it's going to be a jean that says it's oversized but has no stretch and that I can't get past my knees. So when I was able to pull these all the way up, especially postpartum, I was ecstatic. And it's the reason why I've gone back and bought so many others. So there were a couple of more things that I was waiting for to feature in this video that haven't come. So let me know what you think of the items that I featured in today's video. I might do another one as we move into spring summer. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite piece is down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.